to a topic today about present and the future of retail banking opportunities in Pakistan. So one of the learning objectives was that banks can learn how they can grow their retail business in multiples. So when you say that, what do you mean that you can grow the retail business in multiples, and how is that possible?
Okay, very good question. And what I'm about to say, or what we're about to talk about, has been 20 years of being part of retail business, but more importantly, the next 10 years of working with various organizations in the retail banking space. So we worked with many of the 42 banks that are in Pakistan in the retail space. And not just banks, but there's a program that we do with branch managers. And that program has been primarily about how to build, how a branch manager can build their business, retail business in their branch. And we've taken more than about 7,000 to 8,000 branch managers through this program across the banking landscape. So wo karne se, one's been able to see similar opportunities in various branches, but also we've worked with about 8-10 different banks in this space, and we've been able to see these opportunities. So with that background, I can tell you that when we look at banks and their retail banking portfolios, I'm going to throw some numbers, and I want to throw them in a very simple way so it doesn't confuse you and people later. A big bank would have 8 to 10 million customers, retail customers. A mid-sized bank would have 5 million customers. Small bank would have maybe a couple of million to a million customers, maybe less. ये टोटल कस्टमर पोर्टफोलियो होता है एक एट एन एवरेज एक बड़े मीडियम साइज और छोटे बैंक में. जब हम इन कस्टमर पोर्टफोलियो को देखते हैं और हम वी लुक एट दिस एंड वी से ओके, हाउ मेनी कस्टमर्स आर एक्चुअली कंट्रीब्यूटिंग बिजनेस to the bank's portfolio and or to the branch's portfolio. What we see is only 10% of the customers are contributing 90% of the business. Okay. And then we want to look at, okay, we have these branches and we have the branch managers and relationship managers all there. How many customers are being relationship built? How many customers are being, are being reached out? How many customers have their problems solved through proaction from the bank? And we find that only 1% of those customers in a bank or a branch are actually being reached out and being proactively relationship built.
Why do we see a lack of this proactive approach?
I think one of the things that I have seen in most banks is that everyone wants to go and get new customers. Right?
Yes, so, customer acquisition पे बहुत focus होता है.
Customer acquisition पे बहुत focus. So हर कोई कहता है, जिसको banking term में कहते हैं new to bank customer, NTB, people say. So वो NTB के पीछे हम अपनी पूरी फौज को इतना लगा देते हैं कि जो हमारा existing customer होता है,
that's neglected.
Right? And we keep running to new customers. But when we make them our existing customers, when those customers become our existing customers, we forget about them. And then we start running to new customers as well. So what happens is that because of this, the existing customers are not properly serviced. When I say serviced, I mean all their needs are not identified, और उनको solutions नहीं दिए जाते. And therefore, जब हम यही portfolios को उठा के बैंकों को कहते हैं, अच्छा, if we work on your top 10% customers, engage with them, and sell products and services, where do you think we can take the bank to? When you start working on that, then you start seeing that the growth potential is huge. Even just working with these top 10% customers, the growth potential is much bigger than what the banks are able to bring in with just new to bank customers. We started working with Mizan Bank, for example, about 4 years ago, and we saw a similar opportunity with them. And when we saw this opportunity, we said, listen, you can grow your business in multiples. Now, when growing your business in multiples, का मतलब ये है business volumes revenues and profits. So they were sitting at 5.5 billion rupees about 3-4 years ago. अगर आप उनके numbers उठा के देखें. Today they're sitting at 30 billion.
Wow.
Right?
That's a 6-fold increase almost.
Exactly. So therefore I say, और ये कहाँ से आया? Bulk of this business has come from the branches.
What do CEOs and retail business heads need to do to identify and prepare themselves to capitalize on this opportunity? So what are the action items or the actionable steps that they can take in this regard?
Step 1, CEOs need to realize that the bulk of their business is what comes from the branches. Individual customers and small businesses form 99% of their customer base. So if I'm the CEO of a bank, 99% of my customers are individual and small businesses. I need to realize that. My business is what comes from the branches. Number 1. Number 2, it's not just the realization. You need to educate yourself on how do I look at this business? What do I do with this business? How do I do that? I need to open up and analyze my retail portfolio. So step 2, open up your retail portfolios and get somebody to analyze. My recommendations for them is look at your top 10% customers and see how many products and services have been sold to your top 10% customers. And then put a plan in place to engage with these top 10% customers. How do you do that? Step 3, you've got relationship managers sitting in your branches. You need to attach these customers with these relationship managers, hold them responsible to start building those relationships with those customers and build KPIs. So KPIs bhi dena bahut zaruri hai to redesign KPIs. If I'm sitting as a relationship manager in a branch and if my KPI is go get new customers, तो आप मेरे साथ attach कर दें जितने customers आप चाहते हैं. I'm not going to start looking after them. I will keep running after new customers. But if you start to understand as CEO or retail bank head that listen, you know, Salman, you already have 150 customers attached to you. Build a relationship with them and you will do much more business. You need to redesign my KPI. Step 4, put the right sort of MISs in place to track how much you are progressing from your new to bank customers and how much business are you bringing in from existing to bank customers, right? Step 5, inspect what you expect. Become involved. The CEO, retail bank head to kar hi raha hota hai, but become involved in reviews of your retail bank business on a regular basis. When I say regular basis, I mean sit on a monthly basis with your retail bank head and your distribution and product guys and do a review of where we have reached against our KPIs and where can we move forward. So I think in a nutshell, I'm actually asking the CEOs also to become a retail bank savvy.